Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aileen. I have a project share. I just wanted to show you what I made for my friend Chiquita, and she has been so patient with me. Earlier this month we did a snippet swap with Luisa, Eve, and Chiquita and myself, and I wanted to make hers a little different because when I first made my snippet, it was Halloween. So I know I've shared this before, but this is what I made for her. It's so cute. Got a little tiny key here, little dangle, and some flowers up there. This purple ribbon, which I love, and some more flowers, a little bit of trim, little sequin there that says love, a little envelope for like Happy Mail. This little blue heart on top of the purple ribbon, and some of these bead caps, like flower shaped bead caps on there. And then this is a butterfly pin. This was gifted to me from another friend, from Kat, and I pinned it through the fabric. And yeah, that's what I did for her. I used a lot of my trims, my lace, and my stash. Let me go ahead and let me just write my name on here real quick, because we all wrote on our, or marked our snippets. Let me write mine real quick. Yep. All right. Yeah, I just put created for you with my name on it. And that is going to go into, oh, I forgot to show you this little charm here. It's a little globe. I can't speak. Anyway, I made a container or a envelope for it. And I've done this before. This is the page protectors, 8.5 by 11, just a regular page protector. I folded this envelope lengthwise in half, and I cut off a portion, so just so I can have an opening. Left the other piece so I can have a flap, and then I made a sequin mix up on top. I have this sectioned off. I sewed it in the middle, stitched around here before I sealed it like an envelope. I stitched down the middle. So I put some sequin mix in the bottom, stitched in the middle across, added more to the top, and then I stitched it shut. Okay, so I went from here all the way around, and that gave us our sealed part of the front of the envelope. And then I folded it in half so that I could stitch it here and here. And you can see I have some on the back side here too. And the reason I stitched through the middle was so that the sequin wouldn't all fall to the bottom, causing this to be really heavy in the bottom and bulky. So I wanted to do that so that the sequins could stay in certain sections. But anyway, this fits exactly. Like, it takes a few tucks and stuff to make it go in, but it fits right like that perfectly. And then when she gets it out, she could fluff it up a little more. And I used a little Dollar Tree Velcro, sticky Velcro. It looks like that. And I think you could get them also at other stores, but I picked mine up at Dollar Tree. Use some lace trim just to add, I don't know, to cover that middle seam. And also added some die cuts from my stash, and just decorated a little bit. Okay. I also wanted to gift her other items, so I created policy envelopes with my cardstock. Now, these were already pre-made in my stash. I made these like a while ago. I just, you know, I just had them in my stash, and I used up several of my stash embellishments that I made. So anyway, I was like, oh, this is going to be perfect right on that envelope. Look at that. Use some of that trim again up on top. Use some Velcro there. I also added some die cuts in here that I cut with my Cricut. I don't want to pull them out. I want her to discover them. I also shared some festive napkins that I have in my stash. Hopefully she doesn't have those, but I did want to include that in there. Isn't that cute? And if you're wondering, this is a Prima paper pad collection. And I just used my punch with the leaf garlands from Michael's, I think. Punched that out, used my Martha Stewart bow punch. This was a long time ago, guys. But this is an old paper collection, and yeah, I thought it was perfect for her because her and I both love purple. And there's a second envelope. I used her doily in the background. I also added it here too. So just to give it that pop of color and a little bit of separation. But I thought that was cute. This one is stickled and glittered up. And in here, I added a few more die cuts. It's in a baggie, so I'm not going to pull that out so she could see that when she receives it. So those are the 3 little pouches that I made for her. I'm also going to include this little wood veneer chips that she decoupages, so I thought this would be a good challenge for her because it's super tiny. So yeah, that's it. That is what I'm going to send out to her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.